Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Tesla error code CP_A066. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to charge their Tesla. Many shared that charging stops every 20 to 30 minutes and then resumes shortly, while in some cases charging wouldn't start at all. According to our research, this error is most likely related to charger firmware issues, home charging setup problems, or unregistered chargers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to upgrade the firmware on the charger itself. Once updated, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if this is happening on your home charger. Some users shared that their cars showed the error but continued charging normally. So check for this and see if this helps. If the error still persists, then try charging your Tesla at a different charger in town to rule out any issues with your home setup. If it charges fine elsewhere, then return home and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues and you just installed the charger system, then use the Tesla One app to register your charger. Once registered, check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then open a service ticket with Tesla support so they can investigate the issue further and provide a proper solution. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.